Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. I am your teacher and today I am going to teach you maths. Now please take out your maths worksheet school book. Open page number 17. First of all, mention the date here. Today the date is 20th January 2021 and the day is Wednesday. What is the day today? Today is Wednesday. Students, today our new friend is 27. Today the number is 27. 2 and 7, 27. 2 and 7 makes 27. Okay, look at these bananas. Count these bananas with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27. Today the number is 27. These are 27 bananas. Okay, students, look at here. Count the number with the help of count and trace the number with the help of pencil. 2 and 7, 27. Trace the number 27 with the help of pencil. 2 and 7, 27. Number is 27. Trace like this. 2 and 7, 27. 2 and 7, 27. Now, look at these bulbs. Count the bulbs with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27. Number is 27. These are 27 bulbs. Now read this heading with me. Color 27 bulbs. It means आपने इन 27 bulbs में color करने हैं. Now take out your coloring pouch. Select your color and you have to do colors in ups and down direction like this. Ups and down, ups and down, ups and down. You have to do colors in your own choice. Ups and down, ups and down. Okay. Students, look at these bananas. As you know, banana's color is yellow. Now, you have to do color in these bananas. Ups and down, ups and down. like this. Ups and down, ups and down. Dear students, look at this number. Number is 27. 2 and 7 makes 27. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.